Hello student, welcome in online lecture series. In last lecture, we studied about the definition of settlement geography, then what is rural settlement, then nature and scope of rural settlement. This subtopic we covered. Today, we are going to start next topic. It is importance of rural settlement. Friends, rural settlement study identifies the economic, social and environmental aspects of the village. Several aspects like availability of key facility and services, the ability of residents to access employment, shops, health, health facility and recreational opportunity, and identifies environmental and landscape factors which makes each settlement unique. In order to address the particular need of the rural settlement study is important. The study of settlement has been one of the most significant themes in human geography. It is a symbol of man's occupation. It is a symbol of man occupancy and serves a link between the man and the physical environment. Geographers study rural settlement as a unit. Their distributional patterns help in analyzing the sequence to change the cultural landscape. They affect spatial distribution of land use within the settlement. The center of interest in the study of settlement is the built up structure and its relation to the physical environment. The study of rural settlement by Paul Vidal de la Blache and Albert DiMaggio may be considered as a pioneer work. The rural settlement, however, were neglected unit. The rural geography emerged in the 1970s. At present, the study of rural settlement, people, place, and their environment with special reference to society and economy is in an area the interests in which the geographers of the developed and developing countries are increasingly probing. Now, there is emphasis on rural settlement studies with special reference to land use, agriculture and forestry, forest conservation and environment, conservation of environment, rural employment, energy, housing, recreation, health, education and tourism. Housing type in rural settlement India and its regional variation. In the India, there is various types of house with region wise. For example, in Konkan, there is different types of house type compared to middle of Maharashtra house. On the basis of requirement of man is shelter. House is the third important need of man after the food and clothing. It is therefore the universal feature of any region permanently settled by human being. The house, while playing the role of shelter, also regulates the harshness of the climate to meet the physiographical requirement of the body. Rural house shows a close dependence on the physical and cultural factor. Climatic condition, landform features, the physical features, drainage lines, and soil types have their different impact on house type in term of construction material, on their size, shape, location, and comfort. This indicates house type and environmental is correlated. Climate condition, almost everywhere in rural India, the house are made of locally available building material such as stone, mud, unburnt bricks, bamboos, wood, reeds, leaves, and grasses, etc. In India, the rural houses in the plain areas found closely built, whereas in the peninsular India, due to undulating terrain, houses are found a bit farther apart. It is observed that from the architectural point of view, the style of rural houses is very simple. True importance lies in the geographical point of view. In most cases, the houses are found in square or rectangular in shape, connecting one veranda in front with a small corridors surrounding by many rooms in the direction. Moreover, most of the rural houses are generally one stored with one or no windows. If one window is found, it will be very small, located at the backside or in the upper part of the wall of the house. In various factors which affect on house type, these are environment, socio-economical condition of the inhabitant, level of technological development of the society. The various aspects of house which are affected by these factors: the site, the structure, the layout or plan, the building material. Thus, it may be said that the house and testimonial of complex relationship between man and environment and reflect the direct influence on ecology. The rural areas, these fundaments issue of more apparent. social, climatic, and geographical conditions are combined of produce and architecture, or which fashion of style plays title or no part. The impact of these various factors on the different houses of rural house types as is as follow. These factors affect on the house type, and last four factors affected by the house, which are size, structure, and plan, layout or plan or building material. Thank you very much.